Google Slides, digital thank you. For this lesson, you will scroll down and you'll watch this video listed here. After watching the video, you'll need to go down to the What You Will Do section. In this section, it says, first, open a new Google Slide by clicking here. So I'm going to click here. And you'll see that I have a brand new presentation open. First thing I'll need to do is rename my presentation. And then I'll move it to my DAR folder, just like with any other assignment. Let's go back over to Canvas to see what's next. Number 2 says, from the chart below, select school. When you click the link, you will go to the staff roster for that school. Choose one staff member to write a digital thank you. So the list of schools is listed here. I'm going to select Walker Career Center. And then I will choose a teacher or administrator or staff person from this list. And I'm going to choose let's say Mr. Huggins. So let's go back over to Canvas. Number 3 says, you must have the following in your presentation: 5 slides, a slides theme, text, images, animations, and transitions. Okay, so let's do that. Back over to our presentation. I'm going to choose a theme. I'm going to select this theme. And then I'm going to add 5 more slides to that. We'll see this one, here, here, and here. Starting with my first one, I'll say and you also want to make sure that you have your name on the title page. And then you'll go to add the reasons why you are thankful for that teacher or staff person. I'm going to add an image on this page. Go to Insert, Image. I'll search the web. Next one. I'm going to make this font a bit bigger. Also going to center it. Okay, and then I'm going to add some animation to this one as well. So animate that, and I'm going to say fly in from bottom after previous. Okay, and then I'm going to put here I'll make this just a bit smaller. And then I want to add a transition. I'm going to click here and I'll go to cube and apply to all. Okay, so let's go back over to Canvas to see what's next. All right, so I've got 5 slides. I have a slides theme. I've added text. I've added images. And I have animations and transitions. Step 4 says, required. You must meet with your teacher to get approval to send your digital thank you. It's very important that your teacher verifies what you're about to send. Number 5 then says, after you've gotten the approval, you must email your digital thank you to your selected staff person. Okay, so go to your Gmail and send that file in an email. Number 6, go back to your presentation and click File. Here's my presentation. I'm going to click on File and go down to Download. I want to download this as a PDF document. Let's go back over to Canvas. For this, number 7, for this project, you will submit 2 different files into the same assignment Dropbox. You're going to submit the PDF version of your digital thank you that you just downloaded, and then you'll also submit a screenshot of your sent email. So go to your email, click on the Send folder, and take a screenshot of the email that you just sent. If you need to remember how to take a screenshot, you can watch the video here to show you how to do that. Once you have completed all of these requirements listed here, you are complete.